Meaning of edification.
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 Edification. Edification refers to the process of improving one's knowledge or moral character through education, instruction, or enlightenment. The result of edification is a stronger, more informed mind that is better equipped to make wise decisions and act ethically. Through edification, individuals can develop a deeper understanding of complex issues and gain insight into the diverse perspectives that shape our world. Ultimately, edification leads to personal growth and empowerment, enabling individuals to navigate life's challenges with greater confidence and skill.